How to enable car mode. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to enable car mode. So the first few things you guys need to do is just go to your second, go to the Bluetooth part and just connect your Bluetooth with your car. After that, go to your Spotify app, click on the setting icon present on the right hand side top. Then go to the car option. Here you can see the car option. There are two car options. Always pay full attention to the road and abide with all the traffic regulation and the car thing. You guys need to do is just click on car. This will connect your Spotify with the car Bluetooth, and car thing is a device which is given by Spotify to enable an easy way to connect your device to the car. So according to me, there is no need to buy a car thing or any device. You just can simply connect to car by just clicking on a car option. I hope this video was a big help to you. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends. Thank you.